Hey guys, I'm having an amazing week and I hope you are too. Let's make it a little bit better and let's talk about one of my demo bikes. So Harley-Davidson this year had the brilliant idea of making us put some bikes into demo status, which is awesome. I've loved it. We've gotten people out on these new road glides and street glides. One of the ones that we put into demo status is this 2024 Alpine Green road glide. And our GM was like, hey, let's deck this thing out, give people a great riding experience. So if you are interested in testing out one of the 2024 road glides, this one comes with a tour pack, a backrest, and we just installed a 10-inch green Klock Werks windshield. One thing I've said about these new ones, I love the new road glides, but the windshields, I don't know what to tell you from the factory. So this one, it's got an aftermarket one. If you like the way this bike looks, if it speaks to you, come on in, talk to Dan. It is for sale. Even though it is a demo bike, it's got a couple miles on it, it is for sale. Second thing I want to talk about, this is the last week, I believe in September, when this video will come out. We still have 0 down, 199% financing on some 2024 models. I believe the road glide is excluded, but if that's something you're interested in, come on in and we'll figure it out with you. That's this week's episode of Joe Knows.